up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie. Today joined by Jimena.
Hi guys!
It's your first time on my channel, I think.
It is my first time. I'm so excited.
Here for SippingSista Halloween edition. Today we are gonna be doing a Jello shot.
I know, I'm so excited.
So we have a Jello shot. We got like kind of like a Margarita thing, and we also have a very neon green drink that
looks pretty cool.
Yeah, we won't get headaches from. But anyways, all right, before we get into it, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below. Come join the sisterhood. All right, let's get started. First off, we got a Jello shot. These are very, very simple. The name of this that I created is Type O. Damn, I'm tipsy. Jello shots. It's a very long name.
It took me quite a little bit to get it, but.
Because we got syringes here. The only time that maybe these are fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Anyways, let's just go ahead and make the Jello.
Okay.
So I only have half a packet of Jello here. We got half a cup of hot water. Go ahead, stick that in there.
The whole thing.
Yup.
Alrighty.
I have a quarter of a cup of just cold water. There's hot water in that one.
Ah, it smells so good.
Yeah.
Like sugar, like cotton candy.
And then we got vodka.
Oh my gosh.
Which, okay, that should be, we're just gonna do a quarter of a cup of vodka here. We got the Grey Goose. Wow, you know what? I didn't even say,
What?
I haven't even started drinking yet. In this cocktail, what you're gonna need is just Jello, water, vodka. If you have little cups, you know, you could use those little cups, but we got syringes here, and those are the items that you will need for this cocktail. Typically, I try and say that, you know, at the beginning before we get started, but it's all good.
It's all right.
Okay, as you're stirring that, I'm gonna go ahead and put our water vodka mixture, really tasty,
Dude, I'm so scared.
into there. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, cool. So let's take this away.
And now what?
Your syringe, madame.
And I just like take.
So pretty much just do up to here. So here, I'll show you. Just wanna bloop, 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 bloop. And then I kind of let the air bubble go down. And then,
Is it good?
yeah, and then where's
Now?
your little cap?
Okay.
And then stick it in there. You stick them in the fridge until, you know, they get all not hardened, but you know, they
Like
firm up.
Jello form.
Yes, so let's go ahead. I will stick those over here. The magic of television. I got red ones signifying blood. And I got green ones signifying, I don't know, zombie blood.
Yeah.
I just brushed my teeth too. This is not gonna be the most pleasant thing.
And we just like, okay.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Wait.
Oh my god.
It's so hard.
Okay, I broke the seal.
Oh my god. I wonder if it should work. Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Dude,
Wait,
this
let
is
me
so
try.
good.
Is it, did I make
I'm
it,
gonna try.
did I not add enough water?
That one's so hard.
Oh my, okay. All right, folks, make sure to add enough water. What the heck?
This one is so good actually. Oh my god. Damn, damn.
Oh. Alright, I got it. Okay. I don't think I added enough water, but it's still happening. Then you know what? This could be a good thing because Jello shots are actually very dangerous.
Really?
Like,
Because it's too good then.
you can't really taste the alcohol. I don't think I added as much alcohol as maybe other places do. Oh my god, you're really... I don't think you realize how much you're drinking right now.
Too much?
Well, that's why honestly people get really drunk
Dangerous?
after these, because they just
Wait.
taste like.
Like, I taste the vodka now. A little bit.
Oh. Okay.
You're crazy, sorry.
Our second drink is a margarita or a Morgue-A-Rita. I didn't come up with that actually.
No?
I looked up Halloween.
Oh.
You know, I looked up Halloween drinks. I did, you know, edit this drink a little bit, but I did not come up with that name. But it's pretty much like a margarita with some like little extra stuff. So in this recipe, what you're gonna need is light corn syrup. Yeah, we're really going there. Green food coloring, lime juice, tequila, triple sec, sparkling water, and grenadine. In terms of the corn syrup and the food coloring, I just already combined them here because we're gonna be rimming the glass with this wonderful green concoction. I have 2 chilled glasses here. If you just wanna like dip it in there.
Okay, and then just
like pretty much go in there. You don't have to go super,
really
you don't have to go super deep actually with this because it actually drips a lot, and then you just leave it like that. And typically what you want to do is put it into the fridge like right away. But again, TV movie magic. I have a couple prepared already, so no worries.
Yeah,
but you can do that one again.
This one is ripping so much. Okay, this one I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna prepare the margarita. I feel like I've done 3 margaritas at this point, so we're just gonna do a pretty standard recipe. I'll put the recipe in the description below. We got Espolón tequila.
What is Espolón? Like, is it a kind? Oh,
it's just a kind, yeah. But I'm gonna make you a virgin one. So this one's for me,
okay,
and then
I'll try it a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit. I swear, just a little bit.
Okay, nice one. And go ahead. Do you know how to use this?
Yeah, I think so. Just like this.
Yeah, that way. Perfect.
Okay,
and then just stick that in there.
Yeah.
Nice. And then I'm just gonna shake this up. For yours, it's like, okay, yours is pretty much gonna be like sparkling lime drink, you know?
Sparkling lime drink.
With a little bit of sweetness. So the reason why I didn't put agave in this, by the way, is because we're gonna be putting grenadine inside, so it's gonna make it sweet. But okay, so this is my version right here. Oh, you know what? Let me take these away and bring in the prepared ones, because you can see how fast this all went down. So what you want to do, like right after putting this into theirs, you want to stick it in the freezer because it does move really, really quickly. So I'll show you the ones I got.
Oh, dude, they look so good. They look perfect.
So this is kind of like, I feel like it's like a margarita spritzer because we got that, and then we're gonna fill it up with sparkling water. You know what? For yours, what I'm gonna do.
What?
I'm just gonna put some of my ice in this. Okay. So yours is a little bit more filled up.
Okay. Oh my god.
This is a professional show.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then what you want to do is squeeze your lime into there.
Actually, it smells so good. Yours. It doesn't really smell very strong.
I'm gonna put sparkling water in yours.
Okay.
Grenadine, since it's a syrup, it drops to the bottom.
Oh.
So you kind of have like a cool, like, whoa. Just a little, yeah, little. Is it gonna go? Yeah. You can do a little more.
Looks like a little bloody.
Yeah. That's good, that's good.
Okay.
So that's like, you know, your virgin.
Version.
But isn't that cool looking?
It looks so cool. I love the colors, like the
green. And yeah, and this glass that I already had, that was like, they're wine glasses, but they're like black ones.
That's so cool.
You know, they're like goth ones. So, okay, I got these little straws here.
Oh.
They are compostable straws.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, we'll just do a little
cheers. I mean, this is really good. But
I mean, it's lime soda, sweetened lime soda pretty much for you.
Yeah.
You really can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's true.
For mine, it's like, now that I can like mix it up, and then I think it'll be sweeter now. Yeah, that was real easy to drink.
Really?
Here's the other thing. When I was trying it last night, I wasn't using it with a straw. I was like drinking it with, and this is really sweet syrup too. So that's why I didn't add more agave, because before there was agave in there.
Dude.
See what I mean?
Yeah. This is so good.
Ha ha ha. Happy Halloween!
Gentlemen, it is time you learnt of Mr.
Hangover. People do not know what just happened.
No, they don't know.
I should have just whipped out the camera. Literally, can you tell them what just happened?
So the corn syrup around the glass, I was just going to, I don't know what I was gonna do, and then it got stuck on my hair, so my hair lifted the glass went over the place, and everything was like corn syrup mixed up with more syrup and water. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Honestly, you just have, that's what happens with SippingSista. It's unpredictable. Yeah. It's messy.
That's true.
But you know, a little bit like my life. But anyways, this next drink is called Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hangover.
I love it. That's my favorite name.
Okay, so this drink consists of Midori, vodka, ApplePucker, triple sec. We got some pineapple juice, Sprite, and maraschino cherries. Can I tell you something?
What?
So Midori is a melon liqueur. Why don't you smell it?
Oh my god.
It smells good. It smells like Japanese candy, right?
Oh my god, it smells so good.
So when I first started drinking,
You started with this?
this Midori sours were my jam because they just taste like candy. Let me just give you a little. Okay, wait, one second.
Oh,
I don't even know if you're supposed to drink slow, but I just want you to taste.
oh my god, Stephanie.
Oh wow, I thought you were just gonna do a little sip, sip. What does it taste like alone?
It tastes good. It's just, I feel like heat. But it tastes pretty
It's
good.
really sweet. Anyways, I'm gonna do equal parts of these 4 alcohols. I'm just gonna freaking go for it right now. It's Halloween.
Okay.
There are no rules.
Dude, I love the color. I don't think I've ever
I think
tried
this
that.
might just taste like a Midori sour. Maybe. We're doing.
It's like an American version of Midori, maybe?
I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like a really strong Midori sour.
Yeah.
And then we got
Good old
the
goose.
Grey Goose. Wanna try a little shake?
Okay.
Okay, just
I've
hold
never seen
it. Hold it.
Oh boy, I don't trust this. No one.
Like it's fine. Oh god. Back and forth. I don't know. People say my methods are not good, but it works. You're just trying to aerate it, really mix up everything in there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let me just put these. I just chose these glasses. You know, maybe they're not appropriate, but.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay. Oh, so we got some leftover for a third person.
Yay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bloop, bloop, bloop. And then you want to do a little more. There you go. And then if you want to add
some cherries.
a couple cherries in there. Wow, this drink is green. Try not to get too much syrup in there so that so it stays pretty green.
Yeah.
So yeah, 2. What's your favorite cocktail or drink?
My favorite cocktail? I don't have one. I was gonna say beer because it's the only thing I drink.
Oh yeah.
Beer and I think my favorite beer would be Estrella Damm or Estrella Galicia, but I can't find it in the US.
Really?
I don't think so. I mean, there's some places, but
I feel like you could find it.
I like Stella. Stella and
Yeah,
beer is
Stella
great.
Artois.
Yeah.
Well,
I
so
remember
my favorite beer, to be honest, is Corona.
Really?
I love
Corona's
Corona.
great.
Corona with a lime all day, every day.
It's true. That's a really good one. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
this is what this drink looks like.
Oh boy.
It's a cool looking drink. I would say
looks
it's
amazing.
very Halloween appropriate.
It is.
It also is probably very hangover inducing, so
I'm afraid so.
that's
yeah.
why I called it that. Just being honest with y'all.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm so scared. Oh, it don't taste so good. It doesn't taste like alcohol at all.
I know, that's why it's dangerous.
God damn it, Steph.
It literally has a lot of alcohol in it, for real. I mean, it has like sour apple. These all have like a lower alcohol content in them, but still, you add these all up, and it adds up to.
It tastes like apple juice and pineapple juice mixed up.
Which one of the 3 items was your favorite?
My favorite? I'm between the Jello Shot and this one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Honestly, Jello shots are so easy to make, and everybody loves them. Like hates them the next day, but loves them like while it's happening. So if you had to bring anything to a party, like as a party favor or like a housewarming or anything at all, like bring Jello shots. Like people will be stoked. I know that you just came out, or you're coming out with
more
Halloween tutorials. Oh my god, the one that you just came out with all I can think of is Ryan Gosling. Sorry. I'm just like Ryan Gosling.
I feel you. Blade Runner.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That movie was really good. And that look was incredible. I'll make sure, of course, to link Jimena's stuff all down below.
So
yeah. I've been a big fan of Jimena's. We finally got to start hanging out how many? Yeah, a few months ago. And I'm like, you know, it's really awesome to meet like sick people in the YouTube community who are like super, super sweet. Like you're the sweetest person ever.
You're so sweet, Stephanie.
We're just getting emotional because we're getting drunk right now. All right, y'all. Like I said, I'll link Jimena's stuff down below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you haven't yet. I would also love to take any suggestions that you have for me for future Sipping Sistas. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you for having me. It's amazing. I loved it.
All right, y'all. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.